want to tell you the truth about why a woman is not chasing you and why 99% of women will pursue the right man. Listen, chances are you are showing her through either your behavior, your actions, or even how you carry yourself that there is no future with you. And I know that might be hard to hear, but pay attention, because by the end of this video, you're going to know how to course correct this. So that's just it. When a woman meets you, immediately we start thinking, is there a future with this guy? Do I see a future date with him? Do I see myself having sex with him? Do I see myself having children with him? All of these primal things start shooting up in our head. If she doesn't feel or sense any of that or see that within you, she's going to write you off. But a man that's in front of a woman that conveys to her that there could be a future sex, future dates, future marriage, future father of her children, when she sees those attributes inside of him, this is the kind of guy that she's going to go out of her way to make effort with. But the reality is, if a woman is not chasing you and if she's not putting any effort and you continue to see this, then maybe you are showing her some things about you that communicate that you are not a suitable candidate for her to pursue a life with, for her to pursue a future with. At the end of the day, it starts with you, and you've got to start changing first and foremost, babe, how you see yourself. Now, you know, for a lot of you, I've told you about my Become the Damn Hero. It's a free program. I love this one. Even though it's free, it's one of the most powerful things I've done. I created it when I was going through a really shit time in my life, and I was like, I will be the damn hero of my motherfucking life. And so you might need that right now. But you have to start believing that you're the hero, because why? When you believe that about yourself, when you carry that energy in a conversation, when you convey that through your confidence, when you convey that when you're communicating your goals, when you convey that by the actual habits that you're putting into practice, when she sees you're that kind of man who's living his life as if he is the damn hero of his life, she starts seeing potential future for you. Why? She sees a man who sets goals and goes after them. Okay, then we can buy a house together. We can make love and have children together. He will be a good father to those children. But if she's not seeing those characteristics and those qualities in your life right now, then that conveys to her there's no future there. And listen, this applies to good looking guys. It applies to wealthy guys. It applies to everybody, because women can suss out if a man's super good looking, but he doesn't go after his goals, he's super selfish. What we see is like, this guy is just an F-boy. This is a little child. This is a man boy. This is a Peter Pan, and I can never build something with him. He is not the right man. He's wrong for me. Even a guy who is super wealthy, but he's so selfish. He treats his staff terribly. All he thinks about is himself. He's egocentric. She says to him, yeah, this guy might be able to buy me nice handbags and buy me nice dates, but at the end of the day, he's going to be a horrible father to my children. He's going to be a horrible husband to me. There's no future with this guy. He's not the right guy. I'm not chasing him afterwards. When you start showing her that you are a man who is self-compassionate, compassionate to the people around him, you believe in yourself, you go after your goals, you have habits that align with the life that you're trying to build, you become the right man that women want to chase. So here's the thing. When you're showing her that you're a man of focus, you're a man who's determined, you are a resilient man, these are all the qualities that 99.9% of women want in the right man. And the reality is you probably have these qualities inside of you, but you've either become complacent, you've become lazy, or you've stopped believing in yourself. And here is my pep talk for you, that it's time to wake up. If you don't want life to continue to give you the things that you already have, and you want something new, you have dreams and desires, but you're not taking those actions to actually get them, you keep making excuses, you keep dicking around with your time, then maybe you need a fire under your ass right now to go, no, I have to be the element of change in my life. And today I choose me, and I choose to change me, because I know women are never going to choose me if I don't freaking start choosing myself. And you are worth choosing. You need to know that, and you need to hear that. You are worth choosing. You are worth taking the time to invest in yourself, to make yourself into the better man that you dream of being, because you have it. If you're dreaming it, then you have the capabilities, but it's time to brush up on those capabilities and elevate yourself to be that next man. I hope that this inspired you. I hope it encouraged you. Here's a whole playlist of videos. Let those support you.